Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw your BT Wealth sharing earnings from DSJ to coins. First, open the DSJ website or app and log in using your username or email and password. Complete any 2FA verification if it is enabled on your account. Next, navigate to Wallet, Funds, or Withdraw depending on your DSJ interface. Choose crypto or coins as your preferred withdrawal method. Now select the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw, such as BTC or USDT. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw, keeping in mind that the minimum withdrawal limits and any applicable fees. Then, input your external wallet address carefully. Double-check the address to avoid any mistakes because crypto transactions are irreversible. After that, review all the details including the coin type, withdrawal amount, and wallet address and confirm the transaction. DSJ will process your request and the blockchain confirmation may take a few minutes. Finally, check your external crypto wallet to make sure the coins have arrived. If there is any delay, contact DSJ support for assistance. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.